Going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Is Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and I'm about to show you how to make the best simple, easy, cheap steak and chicken quesadillas for a quick, easy meal. Hey, as you saw what we're making, I'm excited. I got my flank steak already chopped up, marinated, and ready to roll. Out of gas on my propane flat top.
You're doing good. It ain't got no gas in it.
So we're gonna improvise. I got my chicken, and we're gonna go ahead and slice and dice this chicken. It's been marinating. I was gonna grill it and then dice it, but
it ain't got no gas in it.
We have to overcome and adapt because I don't feel like going to fill my propane tank up. Oh, get my chicken and my knife. And I'm just gonna start cutting it up. Because with quesadillas,
only Dada can and Mommy can cut the knife.
yep. You know, Taco Bell is one of my all-time favorite places to go. But they're always changing the menu. Like every time I go, it's always different. And it's not like it used to be. Cheap. You want to show your ribbon? Axel got a ribbon today at Field Day. It is blue.
And I got blue on the shirt.
Yep, Sonic. And with my chicken, I'm going to throw some pepper in there. Some salt. I got some roasted Asiago garlic seasoning. And some chicken bouillon. Just a little bit. Yeah. I'm going to drop my chicken. Ooh, in a nice hot pan. We're going to make some rice to go with this. And all I'm going to do with my rice is I'm going to lay some oil down in a pan. We got 2 bags of the small little whatever yellow rice. I'm going to fry this one down. You love cooking.
Cooking.
All right, we're going to let this chicken cook on down, get it right and good. We want our chicken to be done and well flavored and seasoned, and we'll be back.
Yeah.
Chicken is done. Now, my flank steak. Drop it on in. And the flank steak ain't going to take that long. It's flank steak. Kind of brown it up a little bit. That's about it. So we got our tortillas here.
Tortillas.
Now, we're going to put cheese down. Not the whole thing. But we kind of want to aim it like that. Alright, do we want chicken or steak?
I think it's going to be chicken.
You want chicken?
Yeah, chicken.
Alright, let's put some chicken on it.
Okay. Ooh, the chicken kind of cool.
Now that should be good, right? I think that's good enough. Now, do you want, or is this going to be yours? You want any sauce on it?
What is sauce?
So the sauce we're going to be using today is the Chipotle creamy sauce by Taco Bell. No sauce for you? All right.
I said I would.
So we're going to close it like that.
Now that's my time. Now this gonna be yours.
Okay.
That's gonna be yours.
This one's going to be mine.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I think we just both do it. For helping.
So keep the cheese in the front. No, I
No.
want steak.
You want steak?
Yep.
Yeah, steak.
It's hot. Okay, so just be careful.
Well, do you see that right there? Because we're gonna have salt.
The sauce is good, bud.
Now, put it in.
Flatten it. And just lay it on down. Said she wants chicken.
Now we're gonna put cheese.
On in front.
Chicken. Chicken.
Plates for the kids. Blue. So Jerry requested the chicken. The chicken looking delicious. Chicken plate rolling on out. And I got steak here. Right on point. Right on point. There you have it. Chicken and steak quesadillas. Made easy. Thank you all so much for watching. If you will, like, comment, and subscribe. I make simple, easy videos. Cheap recipes. Whatever I can to provide for my family. Make some good tasting things. So y'all catch you in the next one. Peace. Hi, baby.
Also we just want to stay our hand out of the fire because it will burn you if you like just touch it because it burns when you touch it.
Come back, I can feel that.
It was good. We
What's
got
your favorite thing?
I love the snack. I love the snack.
The snacks was your favorite?
Mm-hmm.